Hello! In front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 11s. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app and go to More. Enter Settings, Google Assistant, Voice Match and enable this function. Now go back, enter lock screen, and also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, "Hey Google." Hey Google. Hey Google. Okay Google. What's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be sunny, with a high of 11 and a low of -5.
And that's it. Remember, if you are saying "Hey Google" and it's not working, simply say "Okay Google." If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.